e-commerce website. This is the home page for the application. Here user will sign his account. This is the sign-in page for the application. After user register, here login page. This is home page for the user after login his account. Here user view the products. This is the user view the all products. User search option also here. This is the user view the product details page. And add to cart the button also. This is the cart page before cart is empty. This is the cart page. Here user add to cart product view the page. This is the shipping details enter page. This is payment page. Here two options, one is cash on delivery and another one is online payment. This is the view my orders page. Here user view his orders and order status. This is the user give the feedback based on the products. Here the admin dashboard. Admin view the users, products, orders count and graph. Here admin add the products page. That's products user will view. Here admin view the added products page. Here the admin view the orders and change the order status. Online learning platform. This is the home page of our project. In home, by selecting the role admin, HOD, faculty, student, placement. This is the admin homepage. Here he can view the events happening in the application. Admin will add the faculty and view the faculty. Admin will add the student and view the student. Admin assign the subjects to the faculty. Admin will view the faculty and manage the faculty. Admin can view the subjects with faculty that he assigned. He will upload the courses like materials, assignments, videos, documents, ebook, etc. He will check the assignments uploaded by students. After student login, he can view the events happening in applications. Students will upload the assignment to that particular subject. Students can view the placement questions uploaded by placement officer. Student can view his marks. Student can view profile, update their profile and change their password. Healthcare tracking and recommendation. This is the home page of this applications. In this page, user can log into the application with his credentials. In this page, user can register into the application by entering his details. In this page, user can view recommendation by entering his height and weight. He can view his recommendations. In this page, he can track his calories of exercise and recommendations by selecting the exercise and food items. He can view his tracking in bar graphs. Automation invigilation duties. This is our project home page. Here login is for HOD, admin and faculty. Here the admin will log in through email and password to enter in admin home page. Similarly, HOD and faculty. This is the admin home page. After the admin login, he can add faculty. After adding faculty details, he can view who are added. This is the exam coordinator home page. Exam coordinator will add the exam schedules. Exam coordinator view the faculty are added by admin. Exam coordinator can view the assigned invigilation duties to faculty. This is the faculty home page. Faculty view his invigilation duties. Travel easy. Home page for all. Register page for new user. Summary about the Travel Easy. User will be able to see tour packages added by. User can contact to admin by using this form. User will be able to search the place. Here he can see everything about the place. Here user can see the news of the search place. Can see the restaurants nearby to search places. View hotels in map of searched place. User can see the booked packages. User can update the profile. User also able to view reviews which he provided for the packages. Not view payments for purchased package. Medical store management system flow. Here admin can log in with his default credentials. Admin view list of merchants. Admin view list of suppliers, patients and medicines. Merchant will log in with his details. Merchants view list of medicines and book the medicines. After supplier accept his booking request and then make his payment. Merchants view the expired medicines. Supplier log in with his credentials. Suppliers can view the list of merchants and chat with them. Supplier add the medicines and view the medicines they added. Suppliers view the booking request and accept the merchants. Customer login with his details. Customer search and view the medicines he wants and book them. Customer view the list of his booked medicines. Personal expense tracker application. This is sign up page. Here user will be register the application with valid data. After sign up, user will log in the application with the email and password. This is the user dashboard. Here user will view the all transaction and graph. This is the adding the income page. User will add her income and view the income and delete the income here. This is the adding the expense page. User will add her income and view the expense and delete the expense here. This is the page user view his profile. And the user can update the profile. Online tuition management system. This is the home page of this application. Admin will log in to the application with his default credentials. This is admin home page. Admin can add tutor in this page. Admin can view tutor in this page. Admin can will add the students. Admin will view the students. Admin can will add attendance to the student. Admin can will view the students' attendance. Admin can will add homework details. Admin can will view the homework details. Admin will add the progress report to the student. Admin can will view the progress report. This is tutor login page. This is tutor home page. Tutor can view his profile. Tutor view his class. This is student login page. After successful login, it will redirect to this home page. Student can view his attendance. Student can view his progress report. Student can make payment to his tuition. Online nursery management system. This is the nursery register page for new users. This is the login page for registered users. This is the admin view nursery page. This is nursery home page. This is nursery add plants page. This is the nursery view add plant page. This is nursery edit product. Nursery can edit her profile. Customer can register here. This is the customer home page. Customer can view all plants here. Customer view categories plants. Customer view plant details. Customer view all carts plants. This is customer shipping info page. Customer payment page. Customer view payment success. Customer can view all orders. Customer view order status. Customer view profile page. Customer can edit her profile. Pronovate Engineering Inventive Warehouse for Learning. Default landing home page. Login page for admin. Admin home. After login here he can see the number of users, projects, queries. Admin view ideas was added by the users and will be able to accept and reject the project ideas. Admin views all ideas which are added, those rejected or accepted, and will be able to delete also the ideas. Admin will be able to view queries which are posted by the users. New user register through the page. User has to login. User home page will be available after login. User can share the project idea throughout this page. User can see the existing project ideas and he can join the groups. User will be able to see the project ideas which are added by him. User can see the messages chat which are added in various user which are joined in explore places. User can see the profile and he can update the profile. User can raise the query. Thank you for watching. For more details contact 9030333433.